5 top tips how to use a binary options trading system to explode your wealth. First, of course, we have to get the legal disclaimers and notices out of the way, so please feel free to pause the video if you need to and read that. If not, we'll continue. Here we go. Binary options can make money whether your trade does or not. That's one of the beauties of binary options. You can have a trade that normally you would have lost money on. And with a binary option, you can still come out ahead. The odds are with good traders, when you follow a good trader, and we'll show you how to do that in just a minute. When you follow a good trader, and if you're able to look, if you're able to get this, special permission to look over their shoulder and watch them do the trades, that a professional does, you'll see that their ratio is usually about 85% of the time their trades are making really good money. The power of binary options are that you can play the upside and the downside position at the same time. No matter what happens, you can still make money on your position. That's a pretty nice benefit. They have the ability to make even the novice trader look good. You can be a novice trader. With what we're going to show you, you can be a novice trader. You can have never made a trade in your life and still come out smelling like a rose. We'll show you how that's done in just a minute. In a minute, we will show you how to potentially catapult your skills and earnings to a whole new level. We're going to show you how you could have the ability to look over the shoulder, really look over the shoulder, and watch live, not recorded, but live. Look over the shoulder of a real trader, a real professional. Now watch them make the trade and be able to do it yourself right there, live, real time. But first, we have 5 very valuable top tips for you to discover. These are tips that you really should take heed of, take notice. These are things that can really help your business. 1. Only trade with experienced brokers and brokerage houses. Never go with inexperienced traders. If you find somebody who you don't really feel comfortable with them and you don't think they know what they're doing, please, it's your money, go somewhere else. You just don't want to do it. You just don't want to get involved with people that really don't know what they're doing. Next thing you should really do, tip number 2, is learn binary options trading terminology and jargon. If you don't know what your broker just said, ask. It's your money, after all. It's your money. If you don't know what he just said, if you're not 100% sure about what just came out of his mouth, ask him. If he can't explain it simply, go to somebody who can. Because, as Einstein said, if you can't explain it simply, you simply don't understand. That means that if he can't explain it simply, he doesn't get it. He doesn't really get it. He doesn't really get it either. He's just regurgitating some jargon he heard. Well, you don't want a broker like that. You want a broker that really knows what he's saying and really knows every single step inside and out and has done it numerous times. And could actually, the old saying of you could do it in your sleep. That's the kind of broker you want. You want somebody with experience. Number 3, always open a dummy account at every new brokerage you go to. You go to a new brokerage place, new brokerage house, open a dummy account. Do your first couple of trades in a dummy account. Make sure that you understand everything there is to know about that brokerage house and that broker. Then have your broker run through a few dummy trades with you until you're both on the same page, so that you're not making mistakes. You don't want to make mistakes with real money. You want to make them in a dummy account, so that you're both on the same page, talking the same language. It's really important. Every time you go to a new brokerage house, do it. Tip number 4, always understand the value of the underlying asset. If you're trading gold, as an example, trading gold options, the underlying asset is gold, right? Obviously, duh. Right? But so understand what gold is really doing in the marketplace to understand how you should value that option and how you should trade that option. Really, so if you're trading furniture options for a furniture store, or if you're trading grain options or what have you, understand the underlying the value of that underlying asset. This is what really sets the option price. So study why the asset is priced that way, and you'll be way ahead of the curve, more than most. You'll be so far ahead of the curve, more than most people ever even see. Most people don't ever even see the curve. You'll be ahead of the curve. Tip number 5, watch for new product releases. Company stocks rise with new product releases, which can lead to huge gains. It can lead to some really nice gains. So watch for new product releases from really old, established, stable companies. Companies that have been around for a while, and they launch a new big product launch. It can really send their stock soaring for a month, 2 months, and that's all you need for an option. You can do an option. Actually, you can do 60-second trades. Yeah, that's right. You can do 60-second trades. So a month or 2 is plenty of time. You go ahead and put a call on that, call option on it, and ride that up, make your profit, and leave. Okay, so that's what option trading is all about: making your profit and getting the heck out of it. So now we will show you how to potentially skyrocket your bank account faster than you think. What if you could watch over the shoulder of a world-class trader as they rake in high-yield trade after trade after trade? You could just watch over their shoulder. What if you could see it happen live and get told why that trade was being made? That's the real question, isn't it? You always want to know why that trade's being made. Not just how to do it, but why. Why is the underlying question of all things. When you know why, the hows, the how-tos, and the what-fors and all that stuff all makes sense to you. But if you learn all the other stuff, but you never understand why, you'll never really get it. So get told why that trade was being made. And then you just make the same trade live, right there on the spot, and profit from it, just like the big guys. You'll be able to watch over the shoulder of a huge trader. I mean, really be on the phone, on a live conference call, and be on the computer and watch them make that trade live, and then make it for yourself if you so choose. So you can skip a trade. You can say, you know what, I don't think I'm going to jump on that one. You're not. It's not an obligation, but it's not an obligation at all. But you just really want to be able to see that trade being made live, be told why that trade's being made, and then do it for yourself right there in real time. Well, now you can. You can actually do that. Go check out this trading system and coaching for yourself. You need to see what they have to offer, because we love their service. This service is awesome. I mean, you just have to go see it for yourself. There's no harm, no foul. It won't cost you a dime to go take a look. But I'm telling you, when you can see what really goes through their mind of a real large scale trader, what really goes through their mind, and learn the ins and outs, this service is invaluable. You won't believe how much you'll learn on a day-to-day and a week-to-week basis. It's crazy. Plus, they will actually send you between 3 and 5 other signals per day. So other buying signals and trading signals. So you're going to get tremendous value. You really need to go just check it out. So below the video is a link so you can go. There's a grade link right below the video. Just click the grade link. You can go see it for yourself and check it out. Make your own decision. Have a great day. Thank you very much.